Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. Today I will guide you how to edit or update LinkedIn profile URL. If you find this guide helpful, please consider like and subscribe ITPK. A customized URL not only makes your profile look more professional but also make it easier for potential employers and connections to find you. So let's dive in and get your LinkedIn profile looking its best. On my screen, I'm at linkedin.com. Okay, on linkedin.com, let's go ahead and sign in with email. Here, this choose my email automatically because this browser remembered my sign in. Let's go ahead and sign in with my email. Once you are signed in with your email into linkedin.com, this will take you to the feed page. From feed page, please go ahead and click on me icon and go to view profile. You can also go from here to your profile by clicking on your name. Once I click on my name, I came to my profile, and in my profile at top right under profile language, I found out that public profile and URL option. Let's click on that option, and here let's say I want to edit my public profile URL, and I only want it like this, Zubair Riaz, and I want to save it, and let's see. This is saying that URL is not available. Try a different URL. Your custom URL must contain 3 to 100 letters or numbers. Please do not use spaces. Now let's add this number here and let's try to save it. That's perfect. It's saying successfully updated my public URL. Now we have edited our public URL at LinkedIn. Now let's go back to LinkedIn. We will try to search my profile with this public URL. And you will also find out when you will come to your profile, you will get public URL here. Let's copy it, open another browser. Let's say I am someone who is searching for LinkedIn profile and I have pasted this URL and press enter. So currently I don't have account. I am not logged in with the account, but I have searched for this URL and this took me to my own profile. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this informational stuff. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.